Ready to profit from crypto price differences? Let's get started with crypto arbitrage on Binance. Crypto arbitrage is all about buying low and selling high on different platforms. Today we're using Binance, one of the largest crypto exchanges with low fees and multiple trading options. First, fund your Binance account with XRP. Deposit XRP from your external wallet. Once it's in, head over to the conversion tab and swap your XRP for USDT. Now here's the exciting part. Transfer the USDT to another wallet or exchange where prices are higher. Compare prices across platforms to find the best profit margins. Finally, subtract your XRP cost and fees from the USDT earnings to calculate your profit. With the right price differences, profits can add up fast. That's it for today's crypto arbitrage guide using Binance. If you found this helpful, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Want the Binance registration link? Ask in the comments below. Let me know how the strategy worked for you. See you in the next video.